You know, as women, or if all women who are in toxic relationship could just nje babukele kuvuyo and choose their self. Just choose yourself, Bazala. As I know it's not easy being a single parent, but it's worth it. As much as it's not easy being a single parent, but it's not fair for your family, your friends, your kids, and everyone who loves you. Ukuthi babone a bad vision of yourself just because you are in a toxic relationship and you are with a man that you totally know that man doesn't love you and doesn't value the relationship, your relationship, or doesn't value you as a woman. Violas is a good example of women who work hard. They can, and it's a good example that you can do it as long as you put a mind on it. You can do it. Nothing ehlula uNkulunkulu and nothing is beyond God. As long as wena wazi uNkulunkulu wakho uthi ungakuwe yonke into ingaphumelela. Guys, just choose yourself. Guys, kulo December, just wanted to say, choose yourself, choose your happiness, and know ukuthi if isengcondweni yakho ingakhona ukuyenzakala, and if awukayizami yakuhlula ungakwazi ukuyenza, and even if izamile yakuhlula ungaphinde futhi uyiphinde uyizame kwesithuba iphumelele kwesithuba.